So since we know how to do the double stitch, now you're asking yourself, how do I make those beautiful, cute little rings that they all have in tatting? So now I've just tatted on several double stitches. If you do not know how to do a double stitch, I will leave a link up there for you to follow so you can go back to that video and watch that. Once you get all of your double stitches on your needle, this is what you should have. You should have a loop coming from the eye to where you started your double stitches, and then you're going to have your ball thread facing the tip of your needle. And in order to make a ring in needle tatting, it is not a true ring, but it is a mock ring is what they call it. We are going to, what I like to do is put my thumb behind the ball thread here, hold my stitches, grab the loop here, and we're going to wrap the loop around the needle, just like that. So one more time, ball thread, I place my thumb right behind the yarn, I grab my needle thread, is what I'm going to call it, wrap it around the needle, just like that. And now we are simply going to pull our needle through all of our stitches. And we like to hold our stitches tight here because they might twist and you don't want them to twist around. And we're just going to pull it all the way through. And you'll see that the loop starts to tighten right here. And it's going to pull all of our stitches through. And as you can see, we did get a little bit of a twisted stitch right there, but that's okay. It's just the yarn that I'm using. And now we pull it nice and tight, and there is our mock ring in needle tatting. And it looks pretty cute. So this is what it's going to look like after you get it off of the needle. We have to do a couple more steps, or one more step if you will. So what we do is we turn our work around and we're going to create another little loop going like this, and we are going to tie this off. So you have your needle thread right here and your ball thread is going underneath. And then we're just simply going to tie it just like that. And this is going to ensure that our ring is not going to come undone. And now we're set up to work the next element. And yeah, see how simple that is? I'll do one more ring with you so that way you can see it in action. Alright, so that is how you create a ring or a mock ring in needle tatting. I hope that it was informative, and I hope that it taught you something, and if it did, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!